everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's project, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make these fun skeleton Halloween decorations. All you need for this project is some cardstock and your Cricut or Silhouette. The images I'm using today are right in Cricut Design Space, in the Images section. I have included their image numbers in the description below. You can also find them by typing in Skeleton Lady and Skeleton Gentleman. I have 12-inch cardstock, so I will make these 11 inches high. These look good, so I can send them to my machine to be cut out. I have 65-pound cardstock in black, and I'll stick it down on a green mat. I'll just use my brayer to stick the cardstock down really well. Now I can pop them into my Maker 3 to cut them out. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. To take the cardstock off the mat, flip the mat upside down and roll the mat away from the paper. You can use your lifter tool to help take it off smoothly. This is done and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.